Hey, welcome back to the Too Fast channel. In today's unboxing and tabletop review, we're going to be looking at a white noise sound machine. It is a device made by a company called Roffie. Normally runs for $25.99. There's currently a coupon on Amazon, and if you apply the coupon, you can get this for $23.39. This is a sound generator device that has 30 different nature sounds. It has a built-in timer. The timer can run for 30 minutes and then shut the machine off, run for 50 minutes and shut it off, or it can just run continuously. It has a memory built into it that remembers your sound settings, your volume settings, and your light settings. And speaking of that, it has an adjustable night light. It's amber in color. On the back of the unit is a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. If you want to take this with you and plug your headphones in, you can listen to all those sounds with your headphones. Roffie offers a 30-day exchange and return window, and there's a 2-year warranty on this device. So let's go ahead and pop this box open, and we'll take a look at this user manual in several different languages. The device and a USB-C cable. One thing to note, there are no batteries in this device, so you have to plug it in. It is designed to run off of USB. In other words, it's designed to be plugged into your computer. If you do not elect to plug it into your computer and you want to plug it into the wall, it does not come with a power jack or a USB adapter. I'm using an extra one I have for my iPhone. So something to keep in mind if you plan on plugging this into the wall, you'll have to either have one of these or you'll have to buy one separately. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. So it is a well, this is all white. It's got the Roffie name on the front. The power buttons on here allow you to choose your type of sound and then cycle through sounds within that genre. So let's say I select rain and then press this second button. I can cycle through a bunch of rain sounds. Power button, volume up, volume down. On the back of the unit is the DC 5 volt in, that's the USB, and then this switch right here is your toggle switch for 30, what did I say, 30, 50 and non-looping playback. I've got it set for non-looping, or it's set for non-looping playback, and then your headphone jack. Now the front panel here, which we'll take a look at when I get plugged in. You can touch here to turn the light on. There are little bitty white lights next to each one of these sections. Each one of these indicates a sound grouping, like this is the fan grouping. And we'll demonstrate that. So you've got these little lights right there, you've got the power light, and then you've got the amber illumination light, which illuminates from underneath this top piece right here. The bottom just says white noise machine, something S in Germany, made in China. That's about it. So the fit and finish on this is really nice. I mean, it should blend in with your decor, depending upon where you decide to put this. There are no batteries in this, but there is. It does save your last settings. So, and let's get this plugged in. Get this cable so it doesn't get in the way. You can see that we have a small amber light underneath the power to let us know that the power is on. And let's see. I got bright lights here on my display table, so it's hard for me to see if there's any other lights on, but that little LED indicates that the power is on. And then we can come down here and hit the power switch. And again, now our amber display is on, which you can't see. I'll have to dim the lights for that. So we've got a little white light down here to indicate that I'm in the grouping of nature sounds. This is, it sounds to me like this particular one maybe got some water in the background with some birds chirping. And if we come down here to the second button, we can toggle through the sounds in that particular grouping. Got a bunch of birds and a cuckoo. That's just like a stream. Turn that up just a bit. I don't know if that's a streaming birds in the background or if it's just white noise with birds. But anyway, that's we cycled through all of those particular sounds in this grouping right here. We'll move on to the next one. So this one is, I think, that sounds like the ocean. Definitely water, whatever it is. These are all, seem to be all different types of ocean sounds on this one. And that's got obviously seagulls. And that's all there is in that grouping. This next grouping I think is rain. This one's got thunder. And I believe that's all for that grouping. Oh, this next grouping is kind of interesting. I'm not sure what that is. You probably can't hear that one. It's a humming sound. A humming sound. And that's a buzzing sound. My cat really hates that one, so this one's got whales. This one freaks my cat out as well. That could be a metronome, not sure, or a clock. Alright, that takes care of that grouping. This is the fan grouping, so it's just a bunch of different types of fan sounds. This next grouping, I believe, is white noise. Or static, however you want to look at it. And we're back to the birds. I actually purchased this to keep my cats, give them something to listen to when I'm not around. Yelling at them, of course. So they seem to like the bird sounds, and so that's what I plan on using to entertain my cats. But if you were to, you could use this as a baby monitor. I know there were some notes in the Amazon description about use as a baby monitor, so that's another useful purpose, but for me that's for the cats. Anyway, that's pretty much all of the sounds that we cycled through. So let me see if I can dim my display area lights so you can see what the illumination looks like. See if we can do that. Alright, well, how about we put that in the back. Okay. And I believe you can just tap the top button. I think there's 2 brightness levels for the amber illumination. That one, and that's it. Yeah, there's 2 brightness levels. So it's not extremely bright, but it definitely would work as a night light if that's something that you're interested in. I'll turn it up all the way. That's all the way up. So it gets pretty loud. And you can turn the volume all the way down and just use it as a night light if you so elect to do that. Anyway, so far so good. It's a nice little item for that serves its purpose. The user manual's in several different languages, and there's really not much else I have to say about the user manual. It gets its job done. Anyway, that's pretty much going to wrap up this tabletop review and unboxing of the Roffie white noise machine, available on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description if you want to go and check it out. I thought it was a pretty good buy for the money, and my cats find it entertaining. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.